This is a kind of drone adventures. Let me try to fly the drones in here, just in an open space between several buildings. And let me see if I can make it. I don't think I can get a nice GPS in here, but let me just try it. Because it's cloudy upstairs where I'm going to put down. It's raining last night actually. I'm going to open the remote control. Okay, there you go, it's connected. Gotta flip this one so you have a better handling position like that. Something like that. It's connected already. The camera is working. Camera, I need to adjust the position. Oops. Okay, it's not, it suddenly can't fool. It's not locked. Let's do the calibration right now. I don't get any GPS signal right now. It's in mode 1, which means to say there is no GPS. And then to power it on, just press once, and you see that, and then keep pressing. Now you hear it, you get the beep, you got the LED blinking. We got 16 GPS and it is in mood 2. Mood 2 means it has a GPS. I just have to press this one for the going up. Without pressing, just go, and there it goes. Without any remote control, it's really stable. The video is here. Consider video in here. Yeah, it's really stable. I set it to automatic comeback, so it's beeping in there. It's beeping, and there it goes. It's coming back. Well, in fact, yes, it landed by itself. All right, that's it. That's it. And the remote control is over there, just left over, and the drone is just go back to where it was started. Okay, unlock it, yes, and then press. Yeah, there it goes. Without any access on the remote control right now, it's keep flying. Let me see if I can go in here. Just very close, very close. The collision sensor is working. It's just like R2D2 head. Cannot reach the other controls going up, so I need to change. Maybe like that is much better. I'm going to. That is the marking point, which is just about several meters. So I fly it away. That far enough. I'm going to press this one, which is the home button, and 3, 2, 1.
Battery alarm.
Okay, it's going down right now. Coming. From here, it's going down. All right, going down.
Cancel their turn.
Okay, it's return, it says, but let's see how many meters. This is the marking point, so this is where I start to fly the drone, and that will be like about my wild guess will be about 2.5 meters. 1, 2. Okay, that's fairly 2.5 meters away from the marker. That's the marker. My baby is 我回来了，然后我带你去，OK？你准备了？My baby is My baby is wake up right now, so I'm going to fetch him and bring it over here, and we gotta play together. Waiting, crossing the road. Let's go together. Goes our bike, and we get the drones in here. Let's going. This is a park just nearby our living place here in Dayawan or Tayabehuejo. So we choose this one instead of inside our main garden. We'll have more freedom to navigate and fly the drones. Look at those guys over there. They are playing the table tennis. Unfortunately, we're not come for the table tennis. It's gonna be the end of our drone adventures. It's actually nice. Come on. English. Yes. Nirubra. Yeah, can remove it. Okay. He's so attentive just because there's a toy in there. The Happy Meal comes with a free toy, and that's the reason why he's so attentive. Just waiting for the order to be called. Oh my god. It's the toy first before McDonald's. Well, that's his most favorite one. Assemble this kind of toy from McDonald's. I say it's only from McDonald's. That should be easy for him. I don't think that's gonna be hard, as he have done many things for this kind of like a Lego. Oh, that's the user manual, and he's just gonna take a look at what's the next step. So that's it. Almost there already. One more flip. Oh yes. So I can set up my drones in here and then fly it. Not so much because the trees upstairs. Yeah, let me set it up in here. Let me set it up. And then I can fly it right now. Can you see that? What about the battery? How long is it gonna take it? It's pretty cool, right? You can see my face is lighting up, and that is the main reason why I have to choose this drone. I just initiated by myself.